You try to buy Bitcoin with your credit card. You get hit with an OTP you never receive. Or worse, you're told to upload your passport, your selfie, your utility bill, just to spend your own money. And even if you get through all of that, they charge you 3%, 4%, sometimes 5% in fees. That's $50 on every $1,000 you invest, gone before you even own a single coin. I found something better. In this video, I'm showing you exactly how to buy Bitcoin and crypto with your credit card. Zero fees, no OTP, no KYC, in literally minutes. Let's get into it. Before the tutorial, I want to take 90 seconds to explain exactly why this matters, because most people don't realize how much the current system is costing them. Number 1. OTP hell. You try to buy crypto with your credit card. The exchange sends a one-time password to your phone. Sometimes it arrives, sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes it expires before you can even type it in, and your transaction fails. Again. Number 2. KYC walls. You're uploading your government ID, a live selfie, sometimes even proof of address, and then you wait hours, sometimes days, just for approval to buy your own asset. Number 3. Hidden fees. Up to 3.99% on card purchases. If you're investing $500 a month, that's up to $20 every single month just in purchase fees. Over a year, that's $240 you paid just to buy crypto, money that could have been invested. There is a platform that solves all three of these problems at once. A professional-grade exchange with bank-level security, built so you keep more of your money. It's called Bifunder. Bifunder is a zero-fee cryptocurrency exchange. That means when you buy Bitcoin, USDT, Ethereum, whatever, you pay no trading fees. Not 1%, not 0.5%, zero fees, no OTP verification, no KYC, no passport uploads, no selfies, no waiting, bank-level security, and instant transactions, from clicking buy to seeing crypto in your wallet in minutes. Bifunder isn't helping you do anything illegal. It's simply removing the unnecessary friction that other exchanges use to extract money from you. Privacy and simplicity are features, not loopholes. Now let me show you exactly how it works, step by step. Stick with me through this whole tutorial, because toward the end, I'm going to show you how to transfer your crypto out to your personal wallet with zero network fee tricks. That part trips up a lot of people. I'm making sure you don't get stuck there. Step 1. Create your Bifunder account. Head to the Bifunder website. Link is in the description. When you land on the homepage, click the Get Started button at the top. Fill in your name and email address. Once you click Create Account, check your inbox immediately. If you don't see the email within 30 seconds, check your spam folder. That's where it usually lands. Click the verification email from the Bifunder team and hit Verify Email Address. And just like that, your account is live. No ID upload, no selfie, no KYC form. You are in. That alone already puts you ahead of where most exchanges would have you, still waiting in a verification queue. Now you're at the dashboard. Click the Buy button. You'll see a list of cryptocurrencies available to purchase. For this tutorial, I'm selecting USDT, Tether, a stablecoin pegged to the US dollar, but you can choose Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any asset available on the platform. Enter the amount you want to spend. Click Continue. Now you're at the payment step. This is exactly where most exchanges block you with OTP prompts. On Bifunder, you enter your credit card details, click Complete Purchase, and the transaction goes through. First time, every time. You'll see a success confirmation. Your crypto is now sitting in your Bifunder wallet, purchased, confirmed, and zero platform fees charged. Other exchanges would have taken $15 to $20 of that $500. Bifunder took nothing. That difference compounds every single time you buy. Now, here's the step most tutorials skip. Just because the crypto is in your Bifunder wallet doesn't mean it's in your wallet. If you want full control of your assets, you need to send it to your personal wallet. This is how. Click on your USDT balance, then click Send. You'll need to choose a network, ERC20, which is the Ethereum network, or BEP20, which is Binance Smart Chain. For this tutorial, I recommend BEP20 because the network transaction fees are lower. This is not a Bifunder fee. It's the blockchain's gas fee, and it applies on every platform. To send USDT on the BEP20 network, you'll need a small amount of BNB in your wallet to cover the gas fee. Even $2 to $3 worth is more than enough for several transactions. On your dashboard, click Receive, select BNB Smart Chain, and generate your receiving address. Send a small amount of BNB from another wallet to that address. Once the BNB lands in your account, go back to your USDT balance, click Send, paste your personal wallet address. Double check it always. Crypto transfers are irreversible. Enter your amount and confirm. When the status says complete, your crypto is in your personal wallet. You own it outright. I already know what some of you are thinking. This sounds great, but is it actually safe? No KYC means no accountability, right? Let me address that directly. Bifunder uses bank-level security infrastructure. Your assets are protected with encryption, secure servers, and professional-grade protocols. The fact that Bifunder doesn't require your passport doesn't mean it's insecure. It means they built a platform that doesn't need to extract your personal data to function. Think about it. Decentralized exchanges process billions of dollars daily with no identity verification. Security comes from the infrastructure, not from handing over your documents. Here's what you just accomplished. You created a Bifunder account with no ID required. You bought cryptocurrency with a credit card and no OTP blocked you. You paid zero platform fees. You transferred your crypto to your personal wallet. Full ownership, full control. And did all of it on a platform with bank-level security. That is what modern crypto trading should look like. And that's the complete walkthrough. Zero fees, no OTP, no KYC. Your crypto in your wallet in minutes. If this video helped you, hit the subscribe button right now. I'm going to keep dropping videos that show you how to get the absolute most out of Bifunder. Drop a comment below. What's the first crypto you're planning to buy? Bitcoin, USDT, Ethereum? I read every comment. The link to create your free Bifunder account is in the description. I'll see you in the next one.